For centuries, people experienced pain and suffering when it came to oral hygiene and dental procedures. And dental methods still used today are based on principles and innovations that are over 100 years old. Now, however, you have a choice. A chance to use groundbreaking procedures with cutting-edge technology to minimize your pain, create a superior quality product, and keep more of your healthy tooth structure than ever before. It's called Biomimetic Dentistry.
Biomimetic Dentistry is a new form of dentistry that's both kinder and gentler to my patients and their teeth. The concept is we want to return the tooth to its original condition. We don't want to make the tooth too strong, and we don't want to make the tooth too weak. I've chosen to do biomimetic dentistry because I believe it's the right thing to do, and it's the wave of the future.
So why was biomimetic dentistry developed?
Biomimetic dentistry evolved because traditional dentistry with fillings and crowns and root canals would all have to be redone many times. Fillings would fail, crowns would fail, root canals would fail. Traditional fillings and crowns would allow leakage and infection that would kill the nerves of the teeth.
Old-style dentistry has used crowns that are much too hard, that can actually damage the opposing teeth.
Dr. Alleman and Dr. Pascal Magnier worked tirelessly for over a decade, researching, developing, and perfecting the techniques that would eventually become biomimetic dentistry.
Biomimetic dentistry is a way of thinking that is completely different from the traditional way of thinking. It means also a deep love for intact tooth structure. It's about prepping less the teeth, being more selective in what we remove from the teeth. The dream is that only the diseased tissue needs to be removed and the entire amount of healthy tissue be maintained.
Biomimetic dentistry is an advanced form of adhesive dentistry, which allows the tooth to be conserved. We're able to preserve tooth structure and the vitality of the tooth. This reduces the need for root canal treatment and also reduces the need for teeth to be cut down for crowns and other fillings of traditional dentistry.
Adhesive dentistry is a better process of bonding materials to the damaged or decayed tooth structure. With traditional dentistry, first your tooth is drilled away to get rid of the decay. Then it's filled. The traditional white fillings can shrink, allowing for decay, and metal fillings can expand, causing cracks. More pain, more money, more time, and less tooth as you go from a crown to a root canal to a bridge to dentures. Now, after painful procedures that have cost thousands, your tooth is gone. With biomimetic dentistry, your dentist will examine x-rays and create a plan for your tooth. But instead of extensively drilling, your dentist will use a combination of advanced technologies to gently clean away bacteria and leave as much of your natural tooth as possible. With pinpoint precision, dyes or lasers are used to identify the decay without harming the other parts of the tooth. Once the decay is removed, the tooth is sealed off from bacteria with super strong bonding materials that easily handle day-to-day use. These advanced materials actually mimic the biological structure of your tooth. They look, feel, move, and flex like a natural tooth. Keep more of your money, more of your tooth, and more of your time for years to come.
There's a tremendous amount of information that is coming out now that is proving how valuable biomimetic dentistry is for our patients.
Your dental health is a #1 predictor of overall good health. However, traditional dental practices of drilling teeth and filling them with toxic materials can actually do more harm than good when it comes to treating dental hygiene issues. Biomimetic dentistry is a form of dental care that actually mimics the natural composition of the teeth, restoring health with materials that are as close to the actual structure of the teeth as possible. This kind of treatment isn't just gentler on the teeth, it also offers a number of additional benefits to patients. Some of them are less pain, less drilling, easier maintenance, better protection of healthy teeth, and maintaining natural tooth structure.
Biomimetic dentistry is not a choice, in my opinion. It is the right thing to do because it is more conservative, because it is cheaper and more accessible than complicated prosthodontic works that are more traditional.
From the diagnosis to the treatment, it's the most conservative way to treat a tooth. so that you will be able to prevent root canals and retreatments.
And what has the response been from patients who have received biomimetic treatment so far?
My patients love biomimetic dentistry. There's less drilling, not as much discomfort, it's less invasive, it's more conservative, and they appreciate teeth looking like natural teeth.
If a patient has teeth, then biomimetic diagnosis and treatment is by far the best way to treat dental decay, fracture, and dental disease.
Unless you are toothless, biomimetic dentistry is for everybody.
Keep more of your money, more of your teeth, and more of your time for years to come. Biomimetic Dentistry, the future of dentistry today.